tried the trend.
Are we eating this together? Are we eating this together? Do you want some chicken soup? Is that what's going on? Some chicken? You hungry? Me too. What's going on?